In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine the left and find functions in Excel. To get started, open the Excel workbook where you want to use these functions. This technique is especially useful when you need to extract the first part of a text string, such as a first name, a word before a space, or any text that appears before a specific character. Once your workbook is open, make sure your sample data is ready. In this example, the text you want to work with is in cell A2 and the header is in A1. Having sample data in place makes it much easier to understand how the formula behaves before you apply it to a larger data set. Next, click into cell B2 because this is where the result will appear. Now type the formula carefully. Start with an equal sign, then type left followed by an opening parenthesis. After that, enter A2, then a comma. Next, type find, followed by another opening parenthesis. Inside quotation marks, enter a space, then type a comma, followed by A2. Close the find function, then type -1, and finally close the left function. The complete formula is equals left, open parenthesis, A2, comma, find, open parenthesis, quotation mark, space, quotation mark, comma, A2, close parenthesis, -1, close parenthesis. What this formula does is combine two functions together. The find function looks for the position of the first space in the text inside A2. Then the left function returns all the characters from the left side of the text up to that position, -1 character, so the space itself is not included. This is why the formula extracts only the text before the first space. If you want to use this same idea with another cell, simply replace A2 with the cell reference you need. And if your text uses a different separator, such as a hyphen instead of a space, you can adjust the formula by replacing the space inside the quotation marks with a hyphen. That small change tells Excel to look for a different character while keeping the same formula structure. After entering the formula, press enter. You should now see the extracted result in cell B2. For example, if the original text begins with a name followed by a space, Excel will return just the first word. This works because find identifies where the split should happen and left pulls everything before it. And that's it. You now know how to combine left and find in Excel to extract text quickly and efficiently.